This meditation will guide you into that blissful state of inner peace. Getting to that nice, centered spot in your life is easier than you think. All it takes is your dedication. So begin by taking a few deep breaths, letting the eyes close, and adjust your body in any way so that you are more comfortable for this meditation. You are able to visualize, which allows us to create anything we desire. So let's use this ability to visualize to find that inner peace. So begin to imagine with your creative mind that you are walking along a beautiful beach. It is a sunny day, the perfect temperature. You can feel the sand in between your toes with each step. The color of the ocean is so beautiful, a deep blue. And every wave that crashes on the sand leaves behind white bubbles. The sun is warm on your skin. There are white clouds floating in the sky. Every step you take is bringing you closer to that inner peace, and it feels so familiar, like it comes so naturally to you. Now, make your way down to the ocean and step into the water. Feel the wonderful ocean running over your feet, deeply relaxing your feet. You make your way in a bit deeper. The water is the perfect temperature. It is up to your knees now. A deep relaxation fills your lower legs. Make your way in further, up to the waist now, and feel the cool waters taking away any tension. Go ahead and begin to swim. You notice that you float effortlessly. Your entire body is so deeply relaxed. You can hear the ocean all around you. Allow this sensation to bring you peace and relaxation. Now just let the beach scene fade away, but keep with you that nice relaxed feeling that you got from the ocean. Having mindfulness about how you feel and giving attention to your body allowing it to go calm and relaxed is a great way to access your inner peace. Let's become mindful of our 5 senses. First, notice, what do you see behind your closed eyes? A gentle darkness? Is there anything else that you notice with your vision? Now, move to your sense of hearing. Notice the beautiful background music, the flow of my speech, and anything else that you can hear. Being mindful is a great way to feel that peace that is always within you. Moving now to your sense of taste. Is there anything that you can taste in your mouth now? Or even remember the taste of something you recently ate? Now, your sense of smell. Inhale through your nose. Do you smell any aromas? And now your sense of touch. Bring awareness to your fingertips. Move them around. Notice the texture of what they are feeling. Good. Now let's tune in to our ability to visualize again. It is very powerful. So begin to imagine that you are in a very peaceful location. It can be wherever you desire. Your own room, the beach again, a mountain, anywhere. See yourself in a serene location. Make this visual very vivid. The colors come alive, experiencing it as if you are actually there now. And with this beautiful, peaceful feeling you have, send it out to those that you love. Sending these people your peaceful blessing. And now, send it out to the people in your town or city. And even further now, send your peace to the entire world. Making for a better place for everyone. Wonderful. You are contributing to the good of humanity just by using your imagination. To finish your meditation, take a deep breath in. Exhale and open your eyes.